So I bought a new container or pot for the plants, but when I went I saw these potato grower, and I just thought, why not? Maybe I can use this to plant. So I like it. You know, it looks big. You can see inside, it looks big. And then one thing I like about this is there is two pack. This is 2-piece. And then, you know, you put in the potato how you want it, but we are going to transform this as our regular vegetable plant container or planted pot. So these is 2 in here, and we can actually remove this. See, just remove these 2 here, and you can see the inside here like that. And so there's already a hole in here that they drill, but then the actual container, this one, you have to make a hole in it, and then it tells you to drill holes for drainage. Drainage is critical to success, so we need to make a drill inside here for drainage. So I like this because there is 2. Actually, you can use this individually. For me, I think you can use this alone individually. You can just put maybe a plastic in here and then cover it around here, put your soil in, and then plant. So in a sense, you have 2 containers actually, because if you put plastic in here, put your soil, you can plant, and then the plastic will hold the soil in, you know, and that's one. And then you have this. So let's just drill a hole. I'm going to drill a hole right now to these so we can make the hole and start planting. So I already have my drill ready. So these, I'm just gonna either go in like that. Then you see, that's a hole. That's it. Then let's see inside. Look at the hole inside. We can do it inside as well. And then we just drill another one there. That's the one. So it's easy to drill the hole in, and then you can see now we can put our plant, our soil in here, or we can just set that in and then put the soil in. They make a little hole here where I think for air to get in, so that is good. So if I just put this back in here, you can see that this is really great, and we can just align that to go with this, and that's it. You don't even know there is anything in there. And then the holes, you see, they are all aligned perfectly, so you can see in there and you can see out there. So this is gonna replace the regular container or regular pot, and I think you can use this for many uses. You don't only have to use this for potatoes, as he says. I mean, if this is what you can use, I think this is very sizable. This is really good, and it will work well as we just drill that hole. So that will replace these regular pots that I use, and these ones, you know, I already have these as well. So this is going to replace those because I need more pots and I can just mix them up. So that's another idea. I hope this helps you. So if you are worrying about what type of pot I can use, you can just try things out to see. So all these, you just make a hole in like we just did for this one, and that's ready to use. You know, it's ready. So that's what I found, and I want to share that with you so you can use this to grow your actual vegetables and fruits, or vegetables, flowers, anything, herbs, anything that you are planting. And let me just show you how you can mix your soil and put it in your pot and start planting right now. If you have any questions, leave in the comment section below, and Don't forget to subscribe to join the community of beginner gardeners and having fun doing it. And also, I will show you how to mix your soil for your pot. And let's dive right in.